Hello, my name is Sattorna. Today I'll talk about adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns, and adjectives answer such questions as what kind, which one, or how many. There are some types of adjectives, and adjectives can be used to describe color, for example, red, blue, orange, yellow, and opinion, good, pretty, right, wrong, etc. And size, big, small, long, short, and age, for example, old, young, and shape, for example, round, triangle, square, oval, and origin, German, Malaysia, and material, glass, metal, and distance, long, short, near, far, and temperature, for example, cold, warm, hot, cool, for example, and time, late, early. And we have some types of adjectives, qualitative adjective or descriptive adjective, and quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, positive adjective, interrogative adjective, descriptive adjective, and compound adjectives. The first qualitative or descriptive adjectives to describe the quality of a person or thing. For example, its size, general description, age, shape, color, material, origin, or purpose. And example, tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. For example, the tall girl is my classmate, and the students achieved excellent results. There are tall and excellent are adjectives, and next adjective is quantitative adjectives to indicate the number or amount of things. Example, some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, full, or several. She found many pens on the table. There was no milk in the jar, or there are 37 students in the class. There are many, no, 37 are quantitative adjectives. Next adjectives is demonstrative adjectives. This adjective to point out nouns. For example, this, that, those. For example, this is my friend Diana. Next, those books belong to her. In this sentence, these and those are demonstrative adjectives. Next adjectives is interrogative adjectives. We use with noun to ask questions. For example, what, whose, where, why, how, and which. For example, whose pen is this? Which way shall we go? Both of the sentence whose and which are interrogative adjectives. Next adjective is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives used to show positions. For example, my, your, his, her, their, its, or our. This is hat. This is her hat. In next sentence, their parents came to my house yesterday. Their, her, their, and my are possessive adjectives. Next adjectives is descriptive adjectives to show that the persons or things are counted collectively. Refer to members of a group as individual, normally used with singular nouns. Example, each, every, either, and neither. For example, each participant was asked to complete a survey. Either of these movies would be interesting to me. Each and either is descriptive adjectives. Next adjective is compound adjectives made up of two or more words, often linked together with hyphens to link the words together to show that it's one adjective. Example, lightweight, duty-free, for food, part-time, cold-blooded, well-behaved. We have to be open-minded about things. And next sentence, the lady is wearing a pair of high-heeled shoes. Open-minded and high-heeled are compound adjectives. We have also a comparison of adjectives. There are three forms of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Comparison with ER or EST, we use ER or EST with the following adjectives. We have positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, in positive, clear, in comparative, cleaner, in superlative, cleanest, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, clever, clever, cleverest, simple, simpler, simplest, and narrow, narrower, narrowest, like this. And comparison with more or most. We have also positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, in positive, difficult; in comparative, more difficult; in superlative, it's the most difficult; in positive, beautiful; in comparative, more beautiful; in superlative, the most beautiful. Thank you for your attention.